You guys better get ready for incoming.
I guess we gotta suck Julian's dick now.
Target them.
Target Julian!
Yeah, hit Julian.
I at least tried to. Don't
Stay where you're at, Julian. Stay where you're at. Stay where you're at. Stay where you're at.
Oh shit! That won't hit you. That would've killed Cody.
Ow!
Alright, get out. Oh shit, look at my sharing.
Let's check out the damage done here.
He just fixed it.
Oh, never mind.
There you go.
Oh.
Put it back. You okay? That was good.